Wagwan people, welcome to the first episode of Ta the Things Them, where we'll be dissecting real life issues, and of course we see the things them, so we're gonna ta the things them. I'm your host Eden, and I'm here with
Sexy Ribbon, ta the things them straight up.
Ribbon. I cannot take you seriously every time you say you're sexy.
I am sexy. I keep on telling you I'm sexy.
Don't convince me you're sexy. You have to show me that you're sexy.
Look, sexy. One pack, just sexy.
Please sit. So this week, of course, we are going to be talking about a lot of stuff. And of course, we want you to be following us on all socials. You have to follow our page at official_ta the things them. It's an expressive productions. So you also have to follow Xpressionz JA_productions on Instagram. Of course, we'll be doing a lot of giveaways, a lot of prizes and surprises. And we know you don't want to miss it. There will be a question of the week, and of course, it will come at some point in the episode. So you'll have to stay tuned to get into it. All right, so for the first segment, we're going to do this or that. Rayvon, why you look so guilty?
I'm not guilty, not Eden.
Oh, okay.
Just that, you actually put it across and then you're going to look for me. It's like, yes, you know, sorry, Ribbon I do it. No, Eden, are you?
All right, fine. I mean, all right, so this or that. Short girls or tall girls?
For me, Eden, be honest with you.
Yeah, I want it to.
It don't matter if they're short or tall. Just don't be a midget.
Me who?
A midget.
No.
Let me explain to you why I said
Please, that is not the word.
I have a little brother.
That is not the
I
word.
love these short girl who catching my movies. I don't want it so short.
Why would you be calling people a midget?
It's just a style I have.
That is not
Eden,
the word.
I've been going. It's just a midget. No, it's my word. You can't take my word, Eden. What's your word?
It's midget.
Oh, Ben, you're one, my
my one. Are you meant the one?
I'm a Jamaican.
All right, let me write it down.
Jamaican talk good?
Yes. Why are you bashing us? Okay, so let us say now, this or that, Jamaican or American girls?
Me? Straight, yeah, that girl, man. You're mad? Only way me take an American girl unless she have money.
The cameras are rolling, you know.
Oh, but you know, Master Eden, let me ask you now. You asked me that.
Yeah.
Jamaican man or American man? And no, let me specific. White man from America, can you know say really and truly?
You're getting racial.
And black man from Jamaica.
First of all, my soulmate could be anywhere, so I cannot even choose.
You know, say you're biased, Eden.
How is that being biased? My soulmate could be anywhere. It could be a yard man. It could be a Polish man. It could be a British man.
Polish man. You ever hear them
What? Who biased? I don't want to get into that. Please don't get into that.
Don't see what Eden are going with. Just a bun.
Please don't drag me. Please don't drag me.
No, ever say a black man a Polish.
I'm inclusive.
Then white, there's always have to know. Eden, come on, man. You want a black man.
How comes? Tell me why I have a black man. Tell me why I have a black man.
Good.
I work with seeing. What do you mean by that?
Eden, you ever hear say black man have done shot?
Hearsay? I have not been
I'm
with...
a black man.
But seeing is believing.
But me a black man, me I tell
seeing
you.
Is believing, Rayvon. Seeing is believing. And you're telling me that black man don't have short things, and I've never seen every black man.
You ever hear a woman a complain to a man perform good night bed unless a man old?
I have heard multiple.
Not a Jamaican man.
How are you going to tell me that?
Because me never hear before.
Because you black your ears to it. Anyway.
I don't black me ears to it, Eden.
Moving right along.
Eden, come on, man. Be
moving fair. Right along. Guys, we are definitely going to our trending topics, and on social media you have all been seeing it. The things them are all over the place, and a particular artist, influencer, YouTuber has been in the runs about allegedly cheating. No, I can tell you the backstory, not the backstory, but what people have been saying. So the first thing is that he's a well-known person, 5 kids with his wife. They're all over social media. And quite a few girls have come out with quote-unquote evidence, videos, text messages to say that they were with him. He's been doing the things, of course, he may not video them and all of that. So that's the base that we're working with. So my question to you now, Mr. Yvonne, what is your basis for leaving a relationship? How many times the woman have to cheat? If the woman cheat, what degree are you deciding to take back that person? So let me hear your thoughts.
Before you even go there, so, if the woman cheat on me, I have me cheat on the woman.
If the woman cheat on you?
Me first?
Yeah.
If she has sex with somebody, no chance.
Okay.
That means there's something not going good in my relationship. Something short, that's all. So
but remember say you say
no,
the thing is short,
might be, yeah, you say, I know every tree have a good oak.
No.
Bush, but it must fit good.
Nobody said that.
Somebody they owe them might bigger than somebody, so it
must fit. So you think your thing not fit if she cheats?
Might be I want to see water something you're dropping and like.
But I mean, women have other needs. It's not just sexual needs. Women need to be catered to, be loved on, be heard. So many other things can happen. Why you gonna jump to sex? Suppose you lay it down good, the pipe and lay everything. Alright, I should go cheat.
No, if me lay down in bed with me, say me and you are there. And me lay down in the bed with you.
Yeah.
We not go do something else out there. We not go cheat. No give you when me kush when me lay down good with.
But that's what I'm saying. Something else must be wrong.
So go deal with it. Something else wrong. No go give we're good already.
No, but the thing is, that's not it. When I'm getting something else from somebody else where you're falling short, it might come with additional benefits. So how is it that you're going to say, oh, don't do that, don't do that?
But you know,
so anything you fall short, must pick it up.
You can come and talk to me and say, Raven, baby, you're falling short here. You're not taking out the garbage.
But you're a Jamaican man. Y'all don't listen.
Who tell us we not listen?
I have experience.
No,
that is my experience.
You know why we don't listen to
yeah, please tell the people them why.
The reason why we don't listen, want a foot rub? No. Just come look on you like, really and truly, or if you know, we can't read your mind.
Please read my mind.
No, either.
That is your role. That is your role.
You look like a hobby man or a mind reader.
That is your role as a man. You should read minds and so know what I'm communicating. You should. No, if you're my partner, you will.
No, Eden. Eden, we're going
no, man, them are going to know.
No, we're not going to know. So you're going to know what's going on in my mind.
That is not my role. I'm a woman. I'm catering to you.
No, what's your role?
I'm catering to you.
And my role is to read your mind.
Yes.
No, my role is to take care of you. To make sure you have one food on the table.
Tell the people them.
To make sure you have one bed and sleep in.
And
to make sure
that is not your role.
That's my role.
Talking about.
You know, be honest with it. When God created the earth, Adam and Eve, he never tell Eve saying Adam to go read Eve mind.
First of all, we have delved exactly into today's topic about gender roles. So before we get into that, we have to include you guys in the conversation, and we are definitely going to take it on the road. So of course, hear what the people are talking now.
So all we want to know is what is the role of a man in a relationship and what is the role of a woman in a relationship.
Okay, so in my opinion, I think the role. I think there's no role to be needed. I think that we need to be like a little bit equal in these things.
Okay, so just equality right across. So there's no breadwinner.
Well, sometimes, for example, when you are sick, you need your partner to help you and these things. Or if you are like sad, anything can happen. Like, it's your soulmate, so he or me should do like more things because we know how the situation is. But at the same time, yes.
Alright, what man for doing that the relationship first thing, you don't know the man role is to like finance the house, you see me? And the heavy work they for do, yeah man. That a female sweep up the yard and anything, you know? While now, the woman just take care of the house, you see me? Wash the clothes, cook the food, clean out the house. and all that sort of thing, you see me?
Them break them.
So yeah, that's about my thinking about man and woman, role of a man and woman, yeah? Big up.
Well, the role of a man in a relationship basically is to be the backbone of the house. You're supposed to be the one who your female supposed to can come and lean on to. As in, you're the man of the yard, you're supposed to be a king of your kingdom. The female now supposed to play a supportive role in whichsoever way that you can. Well, nowadays diverse things change up, but things move from the traditional way, but still, for me, things supposed to remain the same.
At first, in a relationship, the role a man is supposed to play is like make sure him always be concerned about all things, take care of things like make sure the woman have money, to maintain herself and the household and stuff like that. You understand? A man is supposed to make sure him always be caring and sharing. Yeah, man, you're great, man. A dozen crocodile, man. Well known artist. You see me at the end, woof, woof. People, look out. Oh man, don't get on yourself, book out.
And guess what? We're gonna have taxi time on the road. We're coming straight to you in the taxi with you to give you everything straight up. So guys, just listen out first. We're coming there in the week, so just look out. But park the things them straight on the road. So why you're road Eden? Me have your yard, lie down 7 days a week.
Lie down?
Yeah.
Did I tell you that I want to be a stay-at-home mom? Or stay-at-home wife?
What kind of job you want to do Eden?
I
What
will-
you want to do? For one next man look on you out the road?
Even this man, which area ban? Which area ban?
You don't have nothing to do with the here.
Yes, it does. You're speaking like somebody on the plantations. Why you
What,
think?
slavery?
Yes, it's giving heavy slavery. Why you feel like say I am going to be at home, laying down at home in this day and age?
You know, say sometimes you don't know how to please.
How?
Because me want to work the money I can come here and you spend it.
But I also want to work my money.
But you not gonna share your money with me.
What do you mean share?
Say if me
You're
my
working.
If me work my money, me I go give you anyway. And you are working, I go give me none of yours.
Why would you want my money?
Because you are work too.
Okay, so
You ever hear say one hand clap?
yeah.
Look, you don't hear no sound. Lend me a hand. Lend me a hand. No Eden, lend me your hand. One sound make. Don't lick your hand on your foot.
Yes, I can make a sound with one hand.
Me say clap, me never say snap.
Whatever you were talking about sound. Anyway.
Alright, let me hear your
No,
role.
you were getting at what your role is, and you said bring in the money. I mean, can't understand why is it that a man in 2023 thinks that his only role in a relationship is for bringing in money. Bro, get it together. You're so unserious.
You know, sir, 2023, that's why that's a full role. Because guess what? You see, when you're done, you want to go party, you want makeup, you want new clothes, you go to their friend, you want maid.
Raven, it's so like you want a dolly. You want a dolly. You want a dolly,
you're
Raven.
not a
Raven,
dolly. You're not a
I am
dolly.
not a doll. I am not a doll.
Any female I talk to is a beautiful doll.
I am not a doll. You know what the dollies are?
What, Eden?
The dollies are the girlies who don't work, but they are high maintenance. They don't usually work. Let me not say they don't work. In my term, like, of course, in the Jamaican way, there are different sets of dollies, but we're talking about the set of dolly them who don't work, them stay home, them man take care of them have iPhone, their nails always done, everything is always on point, but they're not paying for it. Somebody's financing them right through.
So that can say me want?
Yeah. Because you say you bring...
I'm not going to really want that because guess what? Yes, when you have that done, the girl that way want to look at battery that sit and go to her. I'm not going to that too. Because my face and me alone face certain stuff. And when, you know, so as man, certain man, like man like me though. If you have me entertaining when you not show me legs and then something, I imagine. But if you show me, I go see me see it already and me get it already.
Oh, so you feel like... No, but that is the type of woman that you want her, Van. You want her for the home. If she the woman that she gonna do. Okay, so tell me what you want. You want a woman that is staying home. The woman that is staying home, what is she doing at home?
I cook my dinner and wash clothes.
You want a maid?
I never said I want a maid. That's not a maid.
You want a sex slave?
I never said I want a sex slave. Did I tell you I want sex for 7 days a week, Eden?
No, but if she's staying home and she is washing, cooking, cleaning, doing the things. Of course, as the man who is out there hunting and doing the things, automatically, tell me if I'm wrong in the comments, guys, automatically you are going to think that you're going to want to be satisfied because you're providing. You have needs. So you tell me say.
So me not go tired. Me can't tired. Me I come in every day. Want sex.
That's not the point. I did not say that.
No, but it seems like you say a sex slave. So
No,
you
but
don't want sex 7 days a week.
no, not because I said slave doesn't mean that it's every day. But if I'm going to be servicing your needs,
Let me hear your
my roles.
Yes, let me hear your
My role as a woman.
What you want from me for doing at the house?
First of all, as a man, you're the backbone of the house. You're the protector. You are the head of the house, right? As a woman, I'm supporting you in any role that you take on.
Hey, people, remember, you know, she said she got support, you know. Remember that road there? Support.
Yes, I'm supporting.
Write people on paper, support. Right.
Please be so serious now. Be for real. I'm supporting my man in any way that I can. If he decides to go on a business venture and I'm able to do the marketing, I probably not do the specific job or work. Suppose a construction, I can't make smarter than them something there. But if it is that I can do some marketing, do some social media something for him, amp up certain things, deal with the money part, budget out stuff, doing
Hold on.
that's supporting my man.
My money.
So out of everything, when me say you pick part the money.
Yes. Everything she want to deal with.
Okay, so you deal with the money, fine. I'll deal with the other things that you might not be good at. So it's a team. So you do what you're strong at.
So
I do what I'm strong at. Of course. If I'm washing, you're supposed to be the one to hang the clothes out or put them in the dryer. It's not about what you like. Relationships are about compromise. Me wouldn't there with you. Me would not there with you. But you can also wash my panty.
No.
You can also wash my panty.
You know that famous
You can also wash my drawers. You can also wash my panties. You're taking them off. So you prefer take it off, but you can't wash it. That's dumb.
Clean?
I cannot be wearing my panty and it's clean. That's
no, I just put it and me want to take it off.
Okay, so you're telling me that at no point in time.
I don't want a dirty panty. But better than them, put one clean one and me take care. I don't want a dirty panty. Keep a dirty panty. You watch them by yourself.
People, take note of this man. Please stay far from him. When you see my road, don't even talk to him. What kind of mindset is that?
She don't know that? Because me and I, she want to keep me for herself. She don't want to look for me. And you hear me say me sexy? She don't want to look.
That is far from the truth, actually. Very far. That is very far from the truth. That is very far from the truth. Very far from the truth. Anyway, what are the other things that you think of? Well, let me say. I was saying earlier that as a woman, you support your man in whatever venture that he's taking on. And that is in relationships that involve love. Because if you find yourself not wanting to support your man, highly likely you don't love the boy. And me feel like you're there for something else and you should reconsider. So I think those are the roles of a woman, to support her partner and vice versa, because of course the man is going to also support the woman when it comes on to bills, when it comes on to paying for stuff. You can pay for something for me, I can pay for something for you. It's not about just you who decides say you are bringing the money only. Me no love that. Me no love that coming out, be no stay at home girly. I have to be on my foot working, doing my thing. So yeah.
Okay.
Guys, ensure that you're following us on all socials. On Instagram at official_taught the things them. So that's official_taught the things them. And of course, it's an Xpressionz Productions. So of course, you must also be following us at Xpressionz_Productions. Every week, we're going to have a question of the week, like I mentioned earlier. And you have the chance of winning $1,000 of data credit. Listen to me. Women no one watch the things them on TikTok and all of that. So of course, we want you to be a part of this giveaway. So that is it for this week's episode. Of course, it is Eden and I was here with Rayvon. And we'll see you next week. Goodbye.